Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What is the difference between either or and neither nor? First of all, let's talk about the pronunciation of those two words. Should I say either or either? Neither or neither? Both of them are correct. If you will speak American English, you should say either or and neither nor. If you are speaking British English, you can say either or and neither nor. Okay, so it's easy. Both of them are correct. It depends on the accent, British or American accent. Well, so what is the difference again between neither and either? Let's start with either or. As you see in Arabic, I will say the translation in Arabic, yada, yada. You will choose one choice. So either or means it's used to show a choice between two options. You will choose only one thing. It means one thing or the other, not both. So in either or, we use it to choose one option. For example, you can either stay home or come with us. So you have to choose. You want to stay home or you want to come with us. Either come home, either stay home or come with us. I will either call you or send a message. So I will do only one thing. Maybe I will call you, maybe I will send you a message. I will not do both of them, only one thing. I will either call you or send you a message. Another example. Can you either study now or later? We can either study now or later. So you can choose. You want to study now? It's okay. If you want to study later, it's okay. You have to choose one option. Okay. There are some important rules when you use either or. Number one, subject verb agreement, especially in simple present. In simple present, I will remind you with simple present. In simple present, you must add s to the verb if the subject is singular, like he, she, it. You can say he likes, he plays, she plays. But if your subject is plural, don't add s to the end of the verb. So be careful about the verb after or. It depends on the closest. It depends on the closest subject. The one after or. Look to these examples. Either Ali or his friends are coming. Here, what is the closest subject to or? It's his friends. It's a plural word. Here, I must use are. You can say is because friends is plural. Either his friends or Ali is coming. So here, the closest subject to or is Ali, and Ali is singular. So I have to say Ali is, not are. Some people say the subject here is his friends and Ali. Both of them are plural. No, it depends on the closest subject to the word are. Ali is singular, so you should say is, not are. Well, also, another rule can be used in different forms. Either or can be used to join two subjects in one sentence. For example, either John or Mike is responsible. Here I have two subjects, John and Mike. I say either John or Mike is responsible. One of them is responsible. They are two subjects. Also, either or can be used to join two objects. Look to this example. Well, I will drink either tea or coffee. I will drink either tea or coffee. Here, there are two objects, tea and coffee. Here, I have to choose only one of them. Also, we can use either or to join two verbs or two action verbs. For example, she can either sing or dance. Look here, sing and dance, they are two verbs, but I have to choose one of them. So either or can be used to join two subjects, two objects, or two verbs. Also, it can be used to join two adjectives in a sentence. Okay? Now let's see the second word, neither nor. Neither nor in Arabic means لده ولده. That means you will not do anything. So it's a negative word. So neither nor means it's used to show that both options are not true. So you will have no options. You will not do anything. It means not this and not that. For example, I like neither tea or coffee. That means I don't like tea or coffee. It means like this. I like neither tea nor coffee. He is neither tall nor strong. That means he is not tall and he is not strong. She will neither call nor text you. That means she will not call you and she will not text you. So neither nor means not that and not this and not that. No options. There are some important rules also. Number one, it is already negative. So this word, neither nor, it's a negative word. Don't use negative words with neither nor. Don't say don't or doesn't or isn't with neither. Look to this example. It's incorrect one. I don't like neither tea nor coffee. This one is not correct because if you have neither, you don't need to use the word don't. But the correct one, you should say, I like neither tea nor coffee. And it has the same meaning in negative, which means I don't like tea and I don't like coffee. Well, another rule, subject verb agreement, same rule like either or. So in the verb agrees with the closest subject, the closest subject to the word nor. Neither Ali nor his friends are coming. It's the same rule. Here, friends, the closest subject to the word nor is plural. That's why I said are. Neither his friends nor Ali is coming. So here, Ali is the closest subject to the word nor, and the verb is because Ali is singular. Another rule, it can be used in different forms, exactly like either or. It can be used to join two subjects, two objects, two adjectives, and two verbs. Look to this example. Two subjects. Neither Ali nor Omar is here. That means Ali is not here and also Omar is not here. I like two objects. I like neither apples nor bananas. There are two objects here, apples and bananas. That means I don't like apples and I don't like bananas. Also, neither nor can be used to join two adjectives. He is either happy nor sad. That means he is not happy and he is not sad. He is normal. Also, neither nor is used to join or connect two verbs. Look to this example. She neither eats nor drinks. Eats and drinks. That means she will not eat and she will not drink. Okay. Now, what is the quick rule here? The quick rule here in simply either or means choice between two options. Neither nor denies both options. No options. You will not do anything. We finished our video for today. If you like this video and you learned the difference between either or and neither nor, click like, share, and write in a comment anything you want. Thank you so much for your watching and see you next time.